Spaghetti. Originating in Sicily around the 12th century, this iconic, long, thin, solid, cylindrical pasta is a staple of traditional Italian cuisine. The word comes from the Italian spaghetto, meaning thin string or twine. Historically, spaghetti was hand-rolled, but by the 19th century, automated extrusion through bronze dies in Naples allowed for mass production. Authentic dried spaghetti is legally required in Italy to be made exclusively from durum, wheat, semolina, and water. The high protein content of the durum wheat, usually around 12 to 14%, gives the pasta its signature al dente texture when boiled. Its smooth surface and flexibility make it an ideal canvas for light oil-based sauces or smooth tomato purees, ensuring an even coating on every single strand. Penne. Invented in 1865 by Giovanni Battista Capurro in San Martino dal Barro, this short tubular pasta was created using a patented diagonal cutting machine. The angled ends resemble the quill of a traditional ink pen, which is exactly what its Italian name translates to. Capurro's machine allowed the dough to be cut uniformly without crushing the hollow center. Penne comes in two distinct varieties, lissi, which is smooth, and rigate, which features deep longitudinal ridges. The rigate version is scientifically engineered to maximize sauce retention, holding thick, chunky meat or vegetable sauces within its grooves and hollow interior. Typically measuring roughly 5 centimeters in length, its sturdy structure maintains a firm bite even under heavy, rich ingredients or when baked in high-temperature ovens. Macaroni. First documented in the 15th century culinary manuscripts of Maestro Martino of Como, this narrow, curved, tubular pasta holds deep cultural roots in both Italy and the United States. The distinctive curved elbow shape is achieved through a specialized extrusion process, where the pasta dough is pushed through a die with one side extruding slightly faster than the other. Commercially popularized in the late 18th century, it was famously championed by Thomas Jefferson, who imported a macaroni machine to Virginia in 1789. The structural integrity of the short, hollow tube allows it to capture and hold liquid cheeses and heavy cream sauces. Made strictly from durum wheat, its compact form provides a uniform, chewy texture that cooks rapidly, usually in just 7 to 8 minutes. Farfalle. Originating in the Lombardy and Emilia-Romagna regions of northern Italy during the 16th century, this distinct shape translates directly to butterflies in Italian. The pasta is traditionally crafted by cutting fresh dough into small rectangles or ovals and pinching the exact center to form a distinct bow tie shape. This specific pinching technique creates a structural variance in the pasta. The center remains thick and dense, yielding a chewy al dente core, while the expansive wings cook faster and become soft and delicate. Often measuring about 3.5 centimeters across, farfalle is historically paired with light bases, such as olive oil and fresh vegetables, allowing the wide surface area of the wings to carry delicate flavors, while the dense center provides a satisfying textural contrast. Orecchiette. Emerging from the Apulia region of southern Italy in the 12th century, this unique pasta translates to little ears. Traditionally shaped entirely by hand, artisans press their thumbs into small discs of dough, dragging them slightly across a wooden board to create a rough concave dome. This manual process gives the pasta a dual texture, a thicker, chewy edge paired with a thinner center. The rough exterior is chemically ideal for starch release and sauce adhesion. Measuring roughly 2 centimeters in diameter, the concave shape acts as a miniature bowl, perfectly designed to cradle small ingredients like broccoli rabe and crumbled sausage. The thick edges ensure the pasta retains its firm al dente form during rigorous boiling and tossing. Linguine. Hailing from the coastal region of Liguria in the 17th century, this long pasta translates to little tongues. Unlike the perfectly cylindrical spaghetti, linguine is extruded through an elliptical die, resulting in a flat, narrow ribbon, roughly 3 millimeters in width. The geometry of linguine is specifically tailored for the local ingredients of its birthplace. The flat surface area provides more contact points than a round noodle, making it scientifically superior for absorbing thin, oil-based emulsions like pesto or white wine and garlic sauces. The subtle thickness of the pasta strand allows it to stand up to the weight of fresh seafood, particularly clams and mussels, which have been historically paired with linguine along the Italian Riviera for over 400 years. Pappardelle. First recorded in the central region of Tuscany in the 14th century, this broad, flat ribbon pasta takes its name from the Latin verb papere, meaning to gobble up. Typically cut into strips, measuring a substantial 2 to 3 centimeters wide, it is one of the widest egg-based pastas in traditional Italian cuisine. Authentic pappardelle dough requires a high ratio of fresh eggs to flour, usually around 30% egg content, which yields a rich, golden color and a uniquely silky yet porous texture. The vast surface area and robust elastic structure are historically designed to absorb and support heavy, complex ragouts made from wild game, such as wild boar or hare, ensuring the pasta does not disintegrate under the thick, slow-cooked meat sauces. Rotini. Developed in northern Italy, this tightly wound helical pasta is characterized by its corkscrew shape. The name originates from the Italian word for twists. The complex spiral geometry is achieved by extruding dough through circular dies with angled slots, forcing the dough to twist as it exits the machine. Measuring around 4 centimeters long, the tight spirals are mechanically brilliant for trapping dense, chunky ingredients. The rotational shape creates a high surface area to volume ratio, allowing it to capture nearly 40% more sauce than smooth tubular pastas. The intricate grooves eagerly hold onto thick tomato sauces, small vegetables, and finely minced meats, while the dense structural core guarantees a resilient, springy texture that remains intact even when served cold in traditional pasta salads. Bucatini. Originating in the Lazio region, specifically around Rome, this long, thick pasta features a distinct 1 millimeter hole running directly through its center. The name is derived from buco, meaning hole. The hollow core is formed by extruding the dense dough over a small copper or bronze pin. This internal perforation serves a vital culinary function. It allows boiling water to penetrate both the inside and outside of the pasta simultaneously. This dual cooking method enables a thicker strand, roughly 3 millimeters in diameter, to cook thoroughly in just 9 minutes without remaining raw in the middle. The central channel also acts like a straw, drawing in rich, robust sauces like traditional amatriciana, ensuring every single bite is infused with guanciale and pecorino romano. Campanelle. Translating to little bells or bellflowers, this elegant pasta shape is a relatively modern invention from the late 19th century. Extruded to resemble a delicate, ruffled cone or a miniature trumpet, campanelle features a distinctively fluted edge and a hollow center. The complex architecture of this shape serves multiple textural purposes. The central hollow acts as a sturdy reservoir for trapping heavy dairy or bechamel-based sauces, while the ruffled, petal-like edges are intentionally thinner, creating a soft, delicate mouthfeel that contrasts with the chewy core. The intricate folds provide maximum surface area for grated cheeses and fine herbs to adhere. Because of its visual appeal and structural durability, it is often utilized in baked casseroles, where it maintains its striking botanical form.